Welcome to online class. In last class we have discussed regarding the different functions of auditing. In today's class we'll discuss regarding the importance of auditing. See, auditing is important and the main importance of the auditing can be judged from the fact that even those organizations which are not covered by Companies Act get their financial statements audited. So it has become a necessity for every commercial as well as non-commercial organization. Then what are these importance of auditing? We'll understand one by one. First importance is value of business. Why auditing is important in organized as well as in non-commercial organizations? Okay, is because audited accounts help a sole trader, okay, a single owner, in knowing the value of business for the purpose of sale. If he is a single owner, he will not be having a thorough knowledge of accounting rules and regulations as well as accounting principles. For that purpose he has to appoint one accountant, okay, and he will not be able, that is the owner will not be able to check or verify that whether the accountant has recorded the accounting transactions according to the rules and the regulations or the principles or not. So for that purpose, auditing the accounts of or books of accounts of sole trader is an important. Next importance is protection of shareholders. See, shareholders who do not know about day-to-day administration of the company. Who are the shareholders? Who invest their savings in the shares of the company. They will be known as the shareholders, right? So these shareholders will not be having any contribution for the day-to-day management of the company or the organization. So they will not be having any knowledge regarding the day-to-day administration of the company. Okay, so these shareholders can judge the performance of the management from audited accounts. Okay, so in auditing is important for the shareholders to know the performance of the management of the organization. Okay, next comes is detection and prevention of frauds and errors. See, frauds and errors cannot be detected without the auditing. Why? The auditor can detect fraud and error relating to cash or stock of goods by examining the business records, and he gives his suggestions and opinions to prevent them in future. Okay, if it is other than the auditor, okay, if it is the owner of the company or if he is any other internal employee, then he will not be able to detect the fraud and the errors. What if he is the person who has committed the fraud and the errors, right? So for that purpose, in order to detect the fraud and errors, external person is required, and that external person is none other than the auditor. So auditing plays an important role in the detection and prevention of frauds and the errors. Next comes is to get long-term and short-term credit. See, long-term and short-term creditors depends on audited statements. Okay, see, business includes various activities, right? Every day it performs n number of activities in the business. So in order to carry on this business activities, owner will be in a need of what? Money, finance. The persons who provide these finance will be the creditors, right? So these long-term and short-term creditors depends on what? Audited statements. Before giving the loans or the financial assistance to the organizations, creditor have to go through the accounts of the company, balance sheet of the company, financial statement of the company. If the company is financially sound, or if its goodwill is strong in the market, then only it will sanction the finance to the organization. So for that purpose, whether it is of a long-term creditor or the short-term creditor, they go through the audited accounts to understand the financial position of the business. Okay. So what these creditors does is they depend on the audited statements while taking the decision whether to grant the long-term and short-term credits to business houses or not. Okay, next comes is assessment of tax. See, tax department authorities depends on audited statements. Why? In assessing or in calculating the income tax, sales tax and wealth tax and other tax liabilities of the business. Okay, next comes is to settle the claims. See, audited financial statements can be used by the insurance companies to settle the claims arising on account of loss by fire or loss by accidents. Okay. Then comes is to calculate purchase consideration. First, we'll understand what is purchase consideration. Purchase consideration means amount payable by the purchasing company to the selling company for taking over the assets and liabilities of the selling company during amalgamation and absorption. Okay, if two or more companies would like to amalgamate their business, okay, then purchasing company have to pay some amount to the selling company in order to take over the assets and liabilities or the business of that selling company. Okay, so that amount will be considered as what? Purchase consideration. Now audited accounts helps a basis for calculating this purchase consideration in case of amalgamation and absorption. Okay. Lastly, to safeguard the interest of the workers. If that is, auditing safeguards the interest of the workers. How? Audited accounts are useful for settling trade disputes for higher wages or bonus. That is, in case if there is any trade disputes or strikes takes place by the workers, why the strike will be conducted? Because of to get the increment in their wages or in the bonus, to get the bonus or to get the increment in the salary. The good example is of that bus strike, where the bus staffs have they were demanding for the hike in their salary, right? So in such cases, okay, these audited accounts helps management to understand whether the company is capable to provide the increment to the workers or not. When they go through the audited accounts, if it is not audited, then they will not be able to take any decision regarding the increment in the wages, right? So if it is audited, then they will, on the basis of those audited accounts, they will be able to take decisions regarding the hikes in the wages or the bonus to settle the trade disputes or the strikes. Okay, so these are the some of the importance of auditing. These points highlights why auditing is important for any commercial or non-commercial organizations. The other things we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.